Hey, what's going on? So I just got my best foot grow light, and I just wanted to show you the pieces that it comes with. Hook it up real quick just so you can see everything and how it's supposed to be done. So of course the actual light with the housing, the aluminum frame housing. Then your hanging cables here, which they pretty standard. You have your little hooks on the bottoms. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and hook those on for you. Really simple, just like most grow lights. If you've grown with used any grow lights before, this part is pretty standard. Go ahead and untangle these a bit. There we go. So, that one and the last one. Okay, so there you go. So that's how you just very easily hook the cables on. Again, it's a lightweight light, which is a good thing. And then here's the cable that it comes with, the power cable. Untwist it. I mean, it's a nice heavy duty cord. Then you have your end here that plugs into the light. Let me just tip this up so I can see it. There we go, just like that. Then obviously this is what you'll plug into your outlet. And then when you actually are ready to hang it from your grow tent, I'm assuming grow tent, mine will be in a grow tent. Super simple, just connect that. And then you'll take and hook this to the bar at the top of your grow tent, or whatever you have on your ceiling if you're growing hanging from the ceiling. And that's it. You'll just let that hang there, and then you'll use your rope ratchet here that it comes with to adjust your height for whatever you need for your plant. So that's all. Thanks.